Hello, my friends. Welcome to Shandong Longzha Machinery. Today I will introduce to you our pallet cooler. Usually in a pallet making process, after a pallet making from pallet machine, the pallet temperature is very hot. It's like 70 to 80 degree. So it cannot be directly for packing. That's why we have this pallet cooler machine. This pallet cooler machine can cool down the pallet in a very short time, 25 minutes. Can cool down the hot temperature to room temperature. So it can go to the next process for packing. And this pallet cooler using the function of counter flow, cold air, and it has an fan blower, cyclone, and dust collector together working with this pallet cooler. And also this pallet cooler at the bottom, you can see it has an squeezer machine. This squeezer machine can separate the broken pallet and dust from good quality pallet.